Welcome to AI Staff. AI Staff is world's first AI-powered full-time team of employees that you can hire for your online and offline businesses. Now, it's super easy to use AI Staff. Once you log in, you'll be able to see all the stuffs, all the AI staff that you have hired, all the previous conversations you have done with them. You can rename these conversations, and you can download the conversation and delete them. All conversations are encrypted end to end, so your privacy is fully secure. To use AI Staff, it's really easy. You go into the Staffs tab, and here you can see all the staffs that you've hired and all the other different staffs that are available. We have Vic Shorts, who is a YouTube expert. We have Sarah James, she's an ad copywriter. Alex Stevens, YouTube scriptwriter. Sales copywriter by Emily. We have Adrian Clark, affiliate marketing manager. James Foley, therapist. Sales